Excel formulas I wished I knew from the start. The VLOOKUP function is a very useful function in Excel that allows you to search for and retrieve a value from a specific column in a table. Here's how to use it. First, on the table that you want to use, make sure that the column that contains the value you want to look up is the first column in the table. This is important because VLOOKUP searches for values in the first column of the table and then returns a value from a different column. Next, go to the cell where you want the result of the VLOOKUP to appear. Type the equals sign, equals, to begin the formula, then type the function name VLOOKUP. Inside the parentheses, type the value you want to look up, followed by a comma. This value should be a reference to the cell containing the value you want to look up. After the first comma, type a reference to the table you want to use for the lookup. This should be a range of cells that includes the first column of the table, the one that contains the values you want to look up, and all the columns you want to include in the lookup. After the second comma, type the number of the column you want to return the value from. For example, if you want to return a value from the third column of the table, type 3. After the third comma, type true if you want an approximate match or false if you want an exact match. An exact match means that VLOOKUP will only return a value if it's an exact match to the value you're looking up. Press enter to complete the formula. The result of the VLOOKUP should appear in the cell. I hope this helps.